Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to give quick review about Hero Fincorp, one of the loan app. I opened Hero Fincorp instant personal loan app and enter your number to log in. Click on get OTP and it will give the OTP, and yes, it is entered into the interface like this. Current loan amount 3 lakhs. Yes, I have received 3 lakhs from this loan app. I have taken loan for 36 months. Okay, remaining amount 4 lakhs 29,408 should be paid, and EMI amount is 11,928, nearly 12,000 per month is the installment, and due on 8th this month. First installment date. This is interest rate is too high, somewhat too high, 25%, but it gives higher amount, 3 lakhs personal loan that has been dispersed to me. Okay, yes, really genuine app, and you can also try for your loan need. Okay, download account statement. You can also download account statement, that is how much you have paid, how much remaining, that will be shown in the account statement. Okay, see here. So I can conclude that Hero Fincorp is a high paying loan amount. Okay, high loan amount. If you would like to take high loan amount, high personal loan amount, yes, you can try Hero Fincorp. Okay, you should have good CIBIL score as well. Okay, that is all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.